Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to pair the Papa Audio Mighty portable speaker to a smartphone. First, you have to make sure that Bluetooth on this particular smartphone has been turned on. I'm going to do that right now. I'll go to the Bluetooth settings page and I'm going to turn on Bluetooth. There you can see it's on now. I'm going to leave it here for a while. Now on the speaker, I will go to the power on off button. I'll find the power on off button, which is this one right over here, and I'm going to switch it on.
Bluetooth mode.
The moment I did that, you heard the Bluetooth mode alert. Now this particular device has entered pairing mode. So I will just go back to the Bluetooth settings page on my smartphone and look for a new device. I'm getting a Papa Mighty option right over here. I'm going to click on Papa Mighty, then I'm going to click on pair. You heard that tone? That basically means that we are now paired. I'm going to play some music and show this to you and demonstrate. There you heard that, it works pretty well. And that's it, that's how you pair the Papa Audio Mighty portable speaker to a smartphone. Thank you for watching.